This video is for the 7th grade website project, assignment 5, adding images. First, you're going to go to Weebly.com, and then you're going to click on Login in the top right corner. And from here, you'll click on G+ Login. And then, once it loads, you're going to go ahead and edit the site. Sorry, it's taking a little while to load. Okay, when this pops up, just click the X and then you'll click on Edit Site on the right-hand side. And now you're going to open up a new tab, and in the new tab you're going to type in search.creativecommons.org. And from here you're going to click on Google Images, make sure Google Images is selected, and then you're going to type in what you would like to search for a picture. So for example, I did dog and cat because I'm doing shelter animals. So then I would click on a picture that I like, and then make sure my pointer is on the picture. Do a 2-finger click and then choose Save Image As. I'd click on Google Drive over here on the left-hand side, and then I can type in a name for my picture. So for example, I'm just going to type dog and cat, and actually it didn't quite work. I have to click down here and then type it, and then you'll click on Save in the bottom right corner. And then what you're going to do is click back over to Weebly. And if you're on the home page, you might need to scroll down to get to the bottom of the picture. You're going to rest your pointer on the picture, and in the bottom right corner of it, you'll see the Edit Image button, and you're just going to click on that. From here, you click on Upload Image, and then you'd click on Upload a Photo from your computer, click on the Google Drive in the top left corner, and then you should see the name of your picture. You'll click on it and click on Open. So then, what'll happen is you'll see your picture appear. And from this point, you'll just go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow next to Save in the top right corner. And you can choose to save to all pages. That's what I'm going to do right here. It might come up with this saying to overwrite the background. It might not, but you'd click on Overwrite. And so now you'll have that background picture on all of your pages, but you can choose to have different pictures if you want. Anyway, you're going to click back over to the Google tab, and you're going to click on Visit Page so that we can create a citation for the image. You'll click up in the top where the URL is, where it says HTTP, and notice it's highlighted. Then you're going to hold Control and C on your keyboard, and you'll open up a new tab, and from here you'll go to Easybib.com. And from here, what you're going to do is click on all 59 options and click on Digital Image when it appears. And then what you're going to do, where it says Description, you're going to type in what you have in the picture. So for example, I'm going to say dog and cat. And then if there's an author, now I'm going to check by going back over to the image. Sometimes it'll show an author, or it'll show like a screen name. So Kitty Green 66 would be the author. I'll just put it under first name. And then if you don't know the author's name, that's not a problem. The website title you'll always find up at the top, and that happens to be Flickr in this case. So website title would be Flickr. And then you're going to skip over publisher, and then where it says URL down here, you're going to click and then hit Control V on your keyboard, and that's going to paste the URL of the picture. And then click on Yes next to Display URL. If you know the date of the picture, which you can go back, mine is March 13th, 2010, so then I'm going to type in 13, and then it's March 2010. Now some pictures you might not know the date, which is okay, but you should always check. and then where it says date accessed, you'll click on today, and then scroll down and click on create citation. And from here, what you're going to do is copy the citation once it is generated. Okay, so here it is. So what you'll do is you'll click and drag to highlight it. Make sure it's all in blue, and then hold Control-C on your keyboard. You'll click back over to the Weebly tab. And from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag a text box. And right now I happen to be on the home page. So I'm going to click and drag the text box right underneath my picture. So actually, let's make it so that we can see the picture. So there's our picture. And then you'll see where it says click here to edit. And then you'll hit Control-V on your keyboard, and it'll bring up the citation. And then you're going to click on all of your other pages, and you're going to do the same thing. So for example, I'm going to click on my facts page. I'm going to drag a text box above the title facts where it says click here to edit. I'm going to do Control-V. And then if you want, you can make the text smaller. It's totally up to you. I'm going to make mine kind of small. And then you can click on the last page, how to help, and then do the same thing, text box, and then click here to edit, do Control-V, and you can once again change the font size, but you want to make sure that you do that for every page, and that's it.